Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is mathematics is the queen of science because in science there is lot of derivation and lot of numerical problem which is based on the mathematics. So you can say that mathematics is the queen of science. Now this is exercise. Today's date is 3rd of August 2021. This is exercise 1.3 from NCERT and it is question number 3rd. The question number 3rd is that it is given that in question number 3rd you have given let A is equal to you have given the value of A. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 5. And it is said that which of the following statements are correct? It is said that which of the following statement are correct. Which of the following statement are correct? It is given that and why. If it is correct, then why? It is said that. Now we move on the question. This is first part is given that is subset 3, 4 is the subset of A. Is 3, 4 is the subset of A? No, it is not correct. Why it is not correct? If you are making the subset of 1, 2, this is the element. This is 3, 4, and it is another element 5. This is with together. If you are making a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then the subset of this element is this is 1, this is 2, and it is 3, 4. If it is written like that one, then it is a subset. If it is not related like that one, then it is not a subset. Then it is not accepted. This is the single element written 1, 2, and 3, 4 are coming with together. So you have to treat like a single element. This is 3, 4. If it is in the form of this one, if it is in the form of this one, means if you have another curly bracket, then it is a subset. Otherwise, it is not subset of A. Hence, the following statement are not correct. It is not correct. Why it is not correct? Because the correct statement is what it is? It is curly bracket 3, 4 is the subset of A. This is the correct statement. Now we move on the second part. What it is said? This one is said whether 3, 4 is the element of A, means this is belonging A or not. Yes, it is belonging A because it is in the element form. Hence it is belonging A. It is only element. One is belonging A. If you have to say whether one is the element of A, no, it is not an element of A. Only one is the element of A. But it is in the form of a curly bracket, then it is the element of A. It is correct. It is correct. Now third part is given. Third part of the question is given. This is given whether 3 comma 4 is the subset of A. Yes, I already told you, if any element is written in a curly bracket, then if it is given that 2 curly bracket, then it is the subset of that set. Hence it is the subset of A. Hence it is the subset of A. It is correct statement. Now fourth part is given that the fourth part of the question is given that fourth is given that whether one belonging to A. Yes, one belonging to A, because one is the element of A. One is the element of A. Hence A, one belonging A. This is the correct sentence. Now we move on the next. This is fifth. Fifth is that whether one is the subset of A. No, it is not a subset of A, because subset of the element is written in a curly brackets, but it is not written in the curly brackets, so it is not correct. Not correct. Correct. The correct statement is what it is. If it is written like that one, then it is subset of A. Otherwise, it is not subset of A. Now we move on the next part. It is given that whether this is part 6, whether 1 to 5 is the subset of A. Is the subset of A. 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is the subset of A. Yes, 1 to 5 is the element, and so it is a correct sentence. 1 to 5 is the subset of A. It is correct. It is correct. 1 to 5 is the subset of A. 1 to 5 is the subset of A. Now the seventh part is given that the seventh part of the question is given that it is given that the seventh part of this question is given that whether 1 to 5 belonging to A. No, because it is not a single element. It is not representing a single element, so it is not belonging to A. It is not belonging to A. If it is if this one, not correct. Not correct. Correct statement is 1 comma 2 comma 5 is belonging to A. Correct statement is 1 comma 2 comma 5. This is belonging to A. Now we move on the next one. It is the 8 of this question. Question number 8 of this question. This is said that question number 8 is 1 to 5, 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is the subset of A. No, because 1 2, if it is written 1 to 5 is the subset of A, then you can write 3 is with 4 and it is a single element. So if it is 1 2 3 and 4 are given in a curly bracket, then it is a subset, and otherwise it is not a subset. Not correct. Not correct. Now next one, we move on the next one. This is 9. Is 5 belonging to A? No, 5 is the not element of A. Although it is the subset of every set, but it is not an element of A. If it is an element of A, then 5 is written here, but there is no 5 is written here. So 5 is not element of A, means it is not correct. It is not correct. Now we move on the 10th part of this question. This is 10th part is whether 5 is the subset of A. Yes, because phi is the subset of every element. Phi is the subset of every element. So it is correct. Correct. And the 11th part of this question is, 11th part is whether phi is the subset of A. No, because this, if phi is in the curly bracket, this represent a element, and you have to check whether phi is the element. No, phi is the not element of it, so it is not a correct sentence. Not correct. Not correct. This is the answer of question number 3rd. And student, question number 4th is write down all the subset of the following set. You have given A. What is the subset of following set? Subset of this one, 5 and 8. Only 2 subset of A. And second part is given subset of AB. Then subset of AB is equal to, this is A, this is B, and this is AB, and I do every subset of everyone, so it has 4 subset. This is 5, A, B, and AB. Similarly, you can do question based on this one. Thank you, students.